Hello everyone. Today we will solve a very important probability question based on two dice. This type of question is frequently asked in CBSE board exams. So watch carefully till the end. So question number 15. Two different dice are tossed together. Find the probability of getting an even doublet is sum greater than 5 of the numbers on the two dice. Similar question came in CBSE 2020 and 2018. इस क्वेश्चन में दो डिफरेंट डाइस को फेंका जाता है, तो हमको प्रोबेबिलिटी ज्ञात करनी है कि इवन डबलेट प्राप्त हो हमको, और दोनों डाइस पर जो नंबर शो होंगे उनका सम 5 से बड़ा होना चाहिए, ग्रेटर देन 5. So solution: when two different dice are thrown, each die has 6 outcomes. Therefore, total possible outcomes equal to 6 into 6 equal to 36. Now, first part. Probability of getting an even doublet. First, let us understand the word doublet. So, doublet means two different dice having the numbers similar. So, doublet means both dice show the same number. Possible doublets are 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. Even doublets are 2 2, 4 4, 6 6. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes is equal to 3. 1 2 3. So, probability of getting even doublet is equal to favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. 3 upon 36 is equal to 1 by 12. Now, second part. Probability of getting a sum greater than 5. Sums not greater than 5 are. सो यहाँ ग्रेटर देन 5 है, लेकिन हम निकालेंगे जो ग्रेटर देन 5 नहीं है. सो सम इज इक्वल टू 2. सो दिस इम्प्लाइज 1 1. इसके एग्जाम्पल हैं या आउटकम्स हैं 1 1. सो दिस इम्प्लाइज 1 आउटकम. सम 3 1 2 2 1. सो 2 outcomes. Sum 4 1 3 2 2 3 1 3 outcomes. Sum 5 1 4 2 3 3 2 4 1 4 outcomes. So total outcomes will with sum less than or equal to 5. 5 से छोटे या 5 के बराबर आउटकम्स टोटल कितने हो गए? 1 + 2 + 3 + 4, ये जो हमने यहाँ कैलकुलेट किए हैं, इज इक्वल टू 10. सो द आउटकम्स विद सम ग्रेटर देन 5. ये तो लेस देन 5 और इक्वल टू 5 है. ग्रेटर देन 5 कितने होंगे? टोटल आउटकम्स 36 माइनस ये जो हमने कैलकुलेट किए हैं -10 इज इक्वल टू 26. Therefore, favorable outcomes of getting a sum greater than 5 equal to 26. Therefore, probability of getting a sum greater than 5 equal to 26 upon 36 equal to 13 by 18. So, final answers. Probability of even doublet is equal to 1 by 12. Probability of sum greater than 5 is equal to 13 by 18. If you understood this question, then probability will become very easy for you. This is a exam-oriented Olympiad-style solution to save time and for better understanding. If you want, you comment. I can also rewrite this as a CBSE style model answer or a just 30 seconds short solution. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more maths videos. Thank you for watching.